I guess, I don't know, whatever. But I do really love recording because I get to, like, you know, vent and talk to my camera even though no one's listening. Can my life get any fucking worse? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I just got done filming this look and taking a billion selfies, like literally a billion, because I'm feeling my oats right now. My absolute oats at that. Ooh, I'm like so skinny, like a little deer gazelle. Bambi realness. I just wanted to record something super creative and super fun and blue because I've never done anything with blue before. And started by this top here. By this top, it has a little blue rhinestones. It says Almighty because that's where I got it from. I think it goes great with the shirts. I'm just hating how this shirt is like that. But yeah, I paired it with this cute little white skirts and we're stunning here. Stunning. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Bitch, I'm a blockhead. And bitch, my head is literally a block. I will see you guys in the next video and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, then leave a comment. Let's talk. Let's be friends. I need friends. And I need dick. See you guys. Alright, so we're just gonna get straight into this. I'm feeling really blue today. Sad face. And kind of a different setup, I guess. And that's only because I kind of wanted to switch it up. I'm on my bed right now and I deserve to be comfy. I work 40 hours a week and I'm a bad bitch, so comfiness times 10. We're gonna be doing lots of blue today and lots of extravaganza, eleganza. So yeah, I'm not really sure how I'm liking the crimps. I just have a pin back right now. I'm not gonna wear my hair like this because it's not cute on me. Like other girls can pull this pin thing off, but I can't. Okay, I need to stop talking. She's really decorative and cute because I am. Like, that's one good thing about me, I guess. And I'm really creative and I love like designing shit and I love like just being cute and all that, you know? Duh. I literally drink like 3 of these a day. Like water is my best friend. No joke. One sec. So I'm just taking this blue color and I'm depositing it, and this blue shadow is really it kind of disappears if you blend it too much, so I'm kind of keeping it tightly impact on where I want it. And I'm kind of regretting doing like those hearts, but I kind of think it's cute, but I really don't know. I kind of could have done without them. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm really indecisive. I don't know if blue shadows are like hard for like the formula, but it kind of disappears. And then I'm just taking what's ever left over and I'm blending upwards just to mimic the color of the sky, I guess. So I just did my nails today and I finally like perfected that ombre-ish. At least I think I kind of did. But I do acrylic nails by myself. I love doing them just because you guys know I love nails. Acrylics make me feel like a brand new bitch, like 0 to 100 quad thousand million. So I'm taking my lip conditioner. If you guys need a new lips like product that conditions your lip, bitch. If you need a new lip product that's like perfect for conditioning your lips and making them all soft and pretty, MAC lip conditioner. It's the best thing ever. If you're wondering why my pinky finger is not done, it's because it's literally broken, like from all the acrylic that I do. And I get really bored, like really easily, and I just want to switch things up like all the time. So I rip my nails off because I get bored with like them, you know? Which my nails hate me, so I hate you too, bitches. Okay, and I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but it's kind of patchy and like disappearing in certain spots, which is super annoying, but you just gotta pack it on real tight in there. Real tight in me, pappy. So I think I'm at that desired look. I'm going to take a little like brush and brush off this excess because that's annoying. Okay, Okay guys, so I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. Look at that bitch, I already messing up. I knew this was gonna be 10 times harder to do on camera. Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking at all, I'm just really concentrated. Like I want this to turn out good. I'm literally covering my eye when I'm doing this. Okay, they look good enough. Oh my god, that was much more easier than the first time, but that's how it goes all the time, so I sound like a fucking idiot. We're gonna pat Patrick Star. Remember back in the day when I first started watching YouTube tutorials, Patrick Star, he was my favorite. I don't really watch other YouTube videos anymore because I'm always working. That was back in the day when I had a sugar daddy take care of me 24/7. And I want to go back to those days, but I kind of hate the feeling of using someone, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Like McDonald's. Like I honestly need this more defined here. Damn it. You know what really bothers me? Every time I get into a fight with my sister, she always brings up me being transgender. She goes, well, at least I was born a female. And I was like, oh, you were? So I'm just taking that same white shade and kind of defining this because it's getting lost in the sauce and not lost in awesome sauce. It's getting lost in chum bucket sauce. You're gonna want to firmly grasp it and really define this because this really needs to be defined. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add these little hearts because this is the best I'm going to get it. LA Splash Patronus, not Patronus, Patronus 13422. Going to kill myself. Okay. Maybe I didn't mess up, whatever. Dramatic ass bitch. Okay, and then I put little dots as well. And I also did add a little bit of like extra cloudishness like around here. If you can't really see, then that's your fault, I guess. I'm just kind of patting. Okay, so now we're going to add the pearls. Pearl, how's your head? Oh wait, that's not pearl, that was... It was pearl. Whatever. Okay, so I have this little wheel of like little assortments here, and they have white pearls in here, which I'm going to use. And there's really no rhyme or reason to where you're supposed to put these. That's why I love makeup, because bitch, you can literally do anything. I literally love how this turns out. Are you fucking kidding me? These keep dropping out of the fucking tweezers. If you don't fucking work and do your fucking job, I'm gonna eat you. Yeah, I'm gonna eat your tweezers. I don't know if you've watched Bad Girls Club, so sorry if you don't. Like, what kind of childhood did you have? A functional one? Okay guys, so I'm using my Lily lashes, as always, in Miami, the 3D mink ones. But honestly, like, I'm really scared to grow old. Especially with the climate change, like, I don't want to die at 60, but then again, I actually kind of do, because then I won't have to die of like natural causes, and everyone else will just die with me, you know? That sounds really selfish. What the fuck do you want, bitch? I'm literally talking to the stuffed animal. Okay, are you fucking really gonna fucking stick to this fucking shit, you stupid fucking piece of fucking burnt garbage fuck? Alright, bitch, blah 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 blah. I'm fucking loving it, okay? I'm just gonna do some finishing touches and I'll come right back to do my lips. Okay guys, so I recently picked up the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat. Focus, bitch. Whatever, don't focus. And this is in the color Pillow Talk. Oh, look at these bruises. Like, I'm some rugged bitch. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips and overline as per usual. Oh well. Like, I don't know if it's something with the formula, but like, it's so easily to overline. Like, all right, perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, this video is done, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. This cute little cloudy angelic look inspired by this top. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I enjoyed filming it as always. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you don't, then awesome too, I guess. Awesome. I don't know, and I don't care. See you guys. Have a nice night and nice day and nice life if you never watch my videos again. Okay, this is going on too long. Bye guys.